Hello guys, today I went outside. I found my package was delivered, the fan that I ordered from Amazon yesterday. So, however, regarding the diagnostic I did, and I told you guys the fridge wasn't working, the freezer was working. So, however, when I actually opened the door of the freezer, and I noticed that the fan wasn't working in the fridge, because the reason how I did, I plugged the fridge when I opened everything, the evap compartment I did opened it, and then I turned the fridge on so the fan wasn't spinning, but the compressor fan at the back of the fridge, I can hear it. So that tells me the back compartment, which is the compressor circuit boards and everything, was functioning properly. I got like the evap area was kind of build up ice in here, a lot of ice in there. So for me to defrost that is no sense, because I know my fan is not working. So even if I defrost it 3 days or 4 days, it's going to be the same problem. So when my diagnosed, I say how I told you guys when I test the fan with open compartment like this, and the fan wasn't spinning, so I knew that thermostat is working. So I told you I'm gonna order a fan. Today I got the fan. I'm gonna try everything the same way that I'm telling you. And this is the old fan here. It's Panasonic one. So you see the code there is the same codes, the same thing, just this one made in Thailand. The other one is made in China. This one it cost at Maytag store, which is I called yesterday, 175. I checked Amazon, I found the same one for $135. I got this one for 30 Canadian dollar. 30 Canadian dollar. It's the same brand, the same brand, which is the same thing. It's just not the same, name like Panasonic. You see, this one is Panasonic, this one is just regular fan, but it's the same design, the same thing. I put that plastic in there just to not to shorten any metal, because this is metal in here. I don't want to leave it like this. Okay, so this is will help you to maintain your own work. I'll show you guys. Give me 1 minute, because I'm holding the fan with my hand and I'm holding everything with one hand, the phone with one hand. So I put the ice maker because I want the whole signal to travel through. So I'm gonna discuss this information with you guys. I said the freezer is not working. The freezer was working. Sorry, the fridge wasn't working. So that tells me thermostat or the fan. The back compartment, which is the compressor, the fan, they're all working. Once I open this and I plugged it in, I don't see nothing working in here, but I can hear the fan working, the compressor at the back there. So this fan wasn't running. So let's try now and see. You see how I got the Amazon box here? I'm gonna plug it in now and see. So I use the extension cord because I don't want the fridge to be pulled out and in. I just make my life easy like this, you see. Here I'm putting the extension cord. Okay, I'm gonna check on the fan here. Press hard on the extension cord. Oh, I can hear a beep. The fan comes on. So when I opened my fridge, how I told you in the very first time, I did like this. If this fan is working, that means I have a problem with that thermostat over there. If this fan is not working, thermostat it's working and the fan is working, then I have some problem with the circuit board, so I have to check at the back of the fridge. But once I see the ice build up in here, that tells me only something wrong in here. But again, could be a freon leakage. That could be a problem too, but that you will notice in the coil. You will notice rusting, dirtiness and stuff, or greenish color here. So now it's working, the fan. Please, if you like this channel, and you see this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel, help me grow up this channel. I will appreciate your help. I'll show you here. I put the ice maker just to have the signal travel through the circuit board, no short, nothing. You will notice the railing is here, so I'm gonna give you a heads up about this railing, why I left it there. So I'm gonna pull it this way. Look at my hand. If the light comes on, the fan turns off, so it means everything is working perfect. You see the fan is off, the light comes on. So if I put the railing back into the same spot, the fan will come on, the light will goes off. Look at this. You see how the fan is working now? Now everything is working perfect, operational, perfect. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, help me grow up this channel. I saves you money, help me out with the channel, please. And I'll show you the fridge from far away just to give you an idea how it looks. Okay, and if you need some help or some detail, please link me up on my channel, and then I'll give you my contact information and I'll help you. I'll guide you out through anything. That's no problem. So thank you, and you have a wonderful day. It's called Frigidaire Gallery. You hear the beep because the fridge is reading high temperature. That's why. Frigidaire Gallery.